Hi everybody, Tim Coffey here. In this video, I'll show how I made these houses out of old Christmas cards. Here's what I used to make them. The materials you'll need to make this project are 3 Christmas cards, all of equal size, double-sided tape, X-Acto knife with a fresh blade, ruler with a metal edge, pencil, silver acrylic paint, a paintbrush, and glitter fabric paint. And to light up the houses on the inside, you'll need some of these battery-operated tea lights. Fold the back half of 2 of the Christmas cards in half vertically. Measure and mark the centers of the covers on both cards on the top edge. Mark the edges and the folds of the card with the same measurement. The standard size for greeting cards is usually 5 inches by 7 inches, but this one's a little bit smaller than that, so make sure you measure the exact halfway mark. Draw lines connecting the dots, and when you're finished, it should look like this. Use the X-Acto knife to cut along the lines that you drew. Now take the third card and cut it right in half along the fold. Then cut the cover in half vertically and cut the back of the card in half vertically also. So now you have 4 pieces. Use double-sided tape to attach the strips to cover up the white areas. Fold it here to form the roof. Trim off the excess on the flaps that are going to connect the pieces together. Leave just enough width for the double-sided tape. Now you can draw some rectangles for windows and maybe a door. And you can measure it all out if you want, or you can do like I do and just play it by ear. Once you have all your windows and doors planned, you can use the X-Acto knife to cut them out. Apply double-sided tape to all the flaps and then carefully fit all the pieces together. You can see that once you fit everything together, there's a hole at the roof. So what you need to do is take the leftover piece from the back of the third card and fold it in half to form the roof. Adhere in place with the double-sided tape. I used iridescent silver acrylic paint to cover the roof, and then I used the glitter fabric paint to trim the edges. The fabric paint is very thick and it takes a few hours to dry, so I left it overnight. So here's what it looks like when the fabric paint is dry. I made a second house with the same techniques, only on this version I used the reverse side of the cards and put the insides of the cards on the outside. And I designed it so you can put one of these battery-operated tea lights underneath. Well, I hope everybody has a great holiday season, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.